How many 3-line to 8-line decoders are required for a 1 of 32 decoder? A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is 4. Convert BCD 0001, 0010, 0110 to binary. A111110, B111101, C111100, D111111. The correct answer is 111110. Convert BCD 0001, 0111 to binary. A10101, B10010, C10001, D11000. The correct answer is 10,001. How many data select lines are required for selecting 8 inputs? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. How many 1 of 16 decoders are required for decoding a 7-bit binary number? A5, B6, C7, D8. The correct answer is 8. The implementation of simplified sum of products expressions may be easily implemented into actual logic circuits using all universal gates with little or no increase in circuit complexity. Select the response for the blank space that will best make the statement true. A and or, B none, C nor, D or and. The correct answer is none. Which of the following statements accurately represents the two best methods of logic circuit simplification? A. Boolean algebra and Kernoid mapping. B. Kernoid mapping and circuit waveform analysis. C. Actual circuit trial and error evaluation and waveform analysis. D. Boolean algebra and actual circuit trial and error evaluation. The correct answer is Boolean algebra and Kernoid mapping. Which of the following combinations cannot be combined into K-map groups? A. Corners in the same row. B. Corners in the same column. C. Diagonal corners. D. Overlapping combinations. The correct answer is diagonal corners. As a technician, you are confronted with a TTL circuit board containing dozens of IC chips. You have taken several readings at numerous IC chips, but the readings are inconclusive because of their erratic nature. Of the possible faults listed, select the one that most probably is causing the problem. A defective IC chip that is drawing excessive current from the power supply. B. A solar bridge between the inputs on the first IC chip on the board. C. An open input on the first IC chip on the board. D. A defective output IC chip that has an internal open to VCC. The correct answer is an open input on the first IC chip on the board. Which gate is best used as a basic comparator? A. NOR. B. OR. C. Exclusive OR. D. AND. The correct answer is exclusive OR. In VHDL macro functions is R. A. Digital circuits. B. Analog circuits. C. A set of bit vectors. D. Pre-programmed TTL devices. The correct answer is pre-programmed TTL devices. Which of the following expressions is in the product of sums form? A. ABCD. B. ABCD. C. ABCD. D. ABCD. The correct answer is ABCD. Which of the following is an important feature of the sum of products form of expressions? A. All logic circuits are reduced to nothing more than simple and OR operations. B. The delay times are greatly reduced over other forms. C. No signal must pass through more than 2 gates, not including inverters. D. The maximum number of gates that any signal must pass through is reduced by a factor of 2. The correct answer is All logic circuits are reduced to nothing more than simple and or operations. An output gate is connected to 4 input gates. The circuit does not function. Preliminary tests with the DMM indicate that the power is applied. Scope tests show that the primary input gate has a pulsing signal while the interconnecting node has no signal. The 4 load gates are all on different ICs. Which instrument will best help isolate the problem? A. Current tracer. B. Logic probe. C. Oscilloscope. D. Logic analyzer. The correct answer is current tracer. The binary numbers A 1100 and B 1001 are applied to the inputs of a comparator. What are the output levels? A AB1 AB0 AB1. B AB0 AB1 AB0. C AB1 AB0 AB0. D AB0 AB1 AB1. The correct answer is AB1 AB0 AB0. A logic probe is placed on the output of a gate and the display indicator is dim. A pulsar is used on each of the input terminals but the output indication does not change. What is wrong? A. The output of the gate appears to be open. B. The dim indication on the logic probe indicates that the supply voltage is probably low. C. The dim indication is a result of a bad ground connection on the logic probe. D. The gate may be a tri-state device. The correct answer is the output of the gate appears to be open. Two 4-bit binary numbers 1011 and 1111 are applied to a 4-bit parallel adder. The carry input is 1. What are the values for the sum and carry output? A 4 3 January 111 C out 0. B 4 3 January 11 C out 1. C 4 3 January 1011 C out 1. D 4 3 January 1100 C out 1. The correct answer is 4 3 January 1011 C out 1. Each one entry in a K-map square represents A high for each input truth table condition that produces a high output. B. A high output on the truth table for all low input combinations. C. A low output for all possible high input conditions. D. A don't care condition for all possible input truth table combinations. The correct answer is a high for each input truth table condition that produces a high output. Looping on a K-map always results in the elimination of A. Variables within the loop that appear only in their complemented form. B. Variables that remain unchanged within the loop. C. Variables within the loop that appear in both complemented and uncomplemented form. D. Variables within the loop that appear only in their uncomplemented form. The correct answer is variables within the loop that appear in both complemented and uncomplemented form. What will a design engineer do after he/she is satisfied that the design will work? A. Put it in a flowchart. B. Program a chip and test it. C. Give the design to a technician to verify the design. D. Perform a vector test. The correct answer is program a chip and test it. What is the indication of a short on the input of a load gate? A. Only the output of the defective gate is affected. B. There is a signal loss to all gates on the node. C. The affected node will be stuck in the low state. D. There is a signal loss to all gates on the node and the affected node will be stuck in the low state. The correct answer is there is a signal loss to all gates on the node and the affected node will be stuck in the low state. In HDL literals is R. A. Digital systems. B. Scalars. C. Binary coded decimals. D. A numbering system. The correct answer is scalars. Which of the following expressions is in the sum of products form? A ABCD, B ABCD, C ABCD, D ABCD. The correct answer is ABCD. A decoder can be used as a demultiplexer by A. Tying all enable pins low, B. Tying all data select lines low, C. Tying all data select lines high, D. Using the input lines for data selection and an enable line for data input. The correct answer is using the input lines for data selection and an enable line for data input. How many 4-bit parallel adders would be required to add two binary numbers each representing decimal numbers up through 310? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. Which statement below best describes a Carnoid map? A. A Carnoid map can be used to replace Boolean rules. B. The Carnoid map eliminates the need for using NAND and NOR gates. C. Variable complements can be eliminated by using Carnoid maps. D. Carnoid maps provide a visual approach to simplifying Boolean expressions. The correct answer is Carnoid maps provide a visual approach to simplifying Boolean expressions. A certain BCD to decimal decoder has active high inputs and active low outputs. Which output goes low when the inputs are 1001? A0, B3, C9, D none. All outputs are high. The correct answer is 9. A full adder has a C in 0. What are the sum and the carry C out when A1 and B1? A0 C out 0, B0 C out 1, C1 C out 0, D1 C out 1. The correct answer is 0 C out 1. The design concept of using building blocks of circuits in a PLD program is called A. Hierarchical design, B. Architectural design, C. Digital design, D. Verilog. The correct answer is hierarchical design. When adding an even parity bit to the code 110010, the result is A111010, B11111001, C1,10,010, D001101. The correct answer is 111010. Which of the following combinations of logic gates can decode binary 1101? A1 4 input and gate, B1 4 input and gate 1 OR gate, C1 4 input NAND gate 1 inverter, D1 4 input and gate 1 inverter. The correct answer is 1 4 input and gate 1 inverter. What is the indication of a short to ground in the output of a driving gate? A. Only the output of the defective gate is affected. B. There is a signal loss to all load gates. C. The node may be stuck in either the high or the low state. D. The affected node will be stuck in the high state. The correct answer is there is a signal loss to all load gates. How many outputs would two 8-line to 3-line encoders expanded to a 16-line to 4-line encoder have? A3, B4, C5, D6. The correct answer is 4. How many inputs are required for a 1 of 10 BCD decoder? A4, B8, C10, D1. The correct answer is 4. Most demultiplexers facilitate which of the following? A. Decimal to hexadecimal, B. Single input multiple outputs, C. AC to DC, D. Odd parity to even parity. The correct answer is single input multiple outputs. One application of a digital multiplexer is to facilitate A. Code conversion, B. Parity checking, C. Parallel to serial data conversion, D. Data generation. The correct answer is parallel to serial data conversion. Select one of the following statements that best describes the parity method of error detection. A. Parity checking is best suited for detecting single-bit errors in transmitted codes. B. Parity checking is best suited for detecting double-bit errors that occur during the transmission of codes from one location to another. C. Parity checking is not suitable for detecting single-bit errors in transmitted codes. D. Parity checking is capable of detecting and correcting errors in transmitted codes. The correct answer is parity checking is best suited for detecting single-bit errors in transmitted codes. A multiplexed display. A. Accepts data inputs from one line and passes this data to multiple output lines. B. Uses one display to present two or more pieces of information. C. Accepts data inputs from multiple lines and passes this data to multiple output lines. D. Accepts data inputs from several lines and multiplexes this input data to 4 BCD lines. The correct answer is uses one display to present two or more pieces of information. When two or more inputs are active simultaneously, the process is called A. First in first out processing. B. Priority encoding. C. Ripple blanking. D. Priority decoding. The correct answer is priority encoding. Which type of decoder will select one of 16 outputs depending on the 4-bit binary input value? A. Hexadecimal. B. Dual octal outputs. C. Binary to hexadecimal. D. Hexadecimal to binary. The correct answer is hexadecimal. A magnitude comparator determines AAB and FAB or AB, BAB and FAB or AB, CAB and FAB or AB, DAB and FAB or AB. The correct answer is AB and FAB or AB. A circuit that responds to a specific set of signals to produce a related digital signal output is called an ABCD matrix. B. Display driver. C. Encoder. D. Decoder. The correct answer is encoder. Which digital system translates coded characters into a more intelligible form? A. Encoder. B. Display. C. Counter. D. Decoder. The correct answer is decoder. A basic multiplexer principle can be demonstrated through the use of A single pole relay, B. DP/DT switch, C. Rotary switch, D. Linear stepper. The correct answer is rotary switch. In ABCD to 7-segment converter, why must a code converter be utilized? A. No conversion is necessary. B. To convert the 4-bit BCD into gray code. C. To convert the 4-bit BCD into 10-bit code. D. To convert the 4-bit BCD into 7-bit code. The correct answer is to convert the 4-bit BCD into 7-bit code.